Have you ever looked at your English books and thought, I want to speak English, but I don't have a teacher. Maybe you don't go to an English class. Maybe you don't have anyone to practice with. Maybe you think becoming fluent is impossible. But what if I told you that the best English classroom is already around you? Yes, your own home. Today I'll show you how to learn English at home, step by step. These are the same simple habits that thousands of successful English learners use every day. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Start speaking even if you're alone. The first day is always the hardest. You stand in your room and everything feels quiet. You want to speak English, but no words come out. That's okay. Look around your room. Point at the table and say, this is a table. Look at the door. This is my door. Pick up your phone. This is my phone. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. Your only job is to speak. Remember this. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you keep speaking. Step 2. Listen every single day. Think about how a child learns a language. Children don't begin with grammar books. They listen again and again and again. You can do the same. While making breakfast, listen to an easy English story. While cleaning your room, listen to an English podcast. While walking outside, listen to simple English conversations. You don't have to understand every word. Your ears are learning even when you don't notice it. One day, you'll suddenly understand a sentence that once sounded impossible. That's how progress happens. Step 3. Read easy English. Many learners make one big mistake. They choose difficult books. Then they feel frustrated and quit. Instead, choose short and simple stories. Read slowly. Read aloud. Read the same story 2 or 3 times. Every time you read, your vocabulary grows. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your brain starts thinking in English naturally. Reading isn't about finishing books. It's about building confidence one page at a time. Step 4. Use the shadowing method. This habit changed my English completely. Play a short English video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly what you hear. Copy the pronunciation, copy the rhythm, copy the emotion. Don't rush, just one sentence at a time. Only 10 minutes of shadowing every day can make your English sound more natural and more confident. Step 5. Make English part of your daily life. The secret isn't studying for 5 hours. The secret is using English every day. Talk to yourself while cooking. Describe what you see while walking. Think in English before sleeping. Change your phone language to English. Watch short English videos instead of scrolling endlessly. Small habits create big results. 5 minutes every day is far more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Closing. If you're learning English at home, I want you to remember one thing. You don't need a perfect teacher. You don't need an expensive course. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. You only need one decision. Start today. One word today becomes one sentence tomorrow. One sentence becomes one conversation, and one conversation can change your life. Believe in yourself, be patient, keep showing up every single day. Your English will improve, I promise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning English at home. I'll see you in the next lesson.